The number one way that I get signups, and I almost have 100 already, is by video. The reason why I'm doing this video now is because I just got an email from somebody so kind, so sweet, and I know that she's been just doing the best she can to get people to pre-enroll, let alone sign up with Save Club. What I told this person is, and this is what I believe, because I've only been doing this online thing for 2 years and 1 month. So 2 years and 1 month ago, I decided to start doing this online biz. I had no idea the piles of cash that I would bring in and live good. You can see some of my products on my mini fridge over there. And I had no idea that I'd pull in over $5,000 the first 30 days in Save Club and save over 900 on tires and a purple mattress and 2 car wash locations and some food. Wow. That is mind-blowing when I say it out loud. Now, results, not typical. I always don't like talking about money that I've made. It makes me sometimes kind of blush and feel kind of guilty sometimes because I know a lot of people out there, they won't get success getting pre-enrolled people or maybe make money. But all I can do is just story tell. I just show my results. I talk about what I do or don't do. And sometimes I might rant and rave a little bit more than I should. But a video is definitely my main thing that I rely on. And I've loved video way before Save Club and Live Good. I've been in broadcast radio right around 1987 is when I started. And I mean in FM radio, mostly rock stations. I've done morning show, nights, overnights, afternoons. I've been the program director, the music director. I've done just about everything when it comes down to broadcasting. So I'm pretty darn comfortable talking. And mostly it's about rock and roll or fart jokes. But when I take an approach to doing video, almost like my radio gig mixed with business, this is my style. I like to just talk to you guys like you're with me right now. I'm just in a man cave here. This was probably a broom closet, or maybe it was dead hooker storage back in the day. But it's nice, it's clean, brand new walls, brand new carpet. And you know what? Now it has a bunch of toys and trinkets and mini fridges and food and snacks and a bunch of monitors and a cool webcam. And man, this is my captain's chair. I feel like I'm Captain Kirk of Star Trek. Remember he had that cool chair? He'd always cross his legs and kind of go, "Let's boldly go where no man's gone before, because I want to meet me some alien ass and spank it." And I'm like, all right, go Captain Kirk. And that's what I feel like right now. I can sit down and, I can have a chair like this at home. I can have a chair in an RV if I'm at a hotel. I can do this anywhere there's a webcam, or if you got a cell phone, is just do a video, even if it's good, bad, or ugly. But this is what I think. And like I said, you can talk to a million other people out there that are successful online. I think people join people more than they realize, because Save Club's awesome. Most people that are going to sign up in Save Club, they will eventually find an ad, or maybe they get an email from someone, or maybe they're searching how to make money at home or how to save money. Well, earn money. There's a lot of phrases and a lot of things you can type into Google or YouTube. And I think Google owns YouTube last time I remember. So if you're searching around for stuff and you just run into my video, I'm always going to be there. As long as I can talk, and if I have time. Now, I don't have time to do videos every day. Sometimes what I do is I make like 8 to 10 videos in one day, and then I meter them out like on a Monday or a Tuesday. So sometimes you'll see me wearing the same clothes for a couple days in a row. And what I do is I'll just change the date. I'll make like 8 videos on Monday, but I'll talk about Tuesday as well, but I'll have the same outfit on. So what I try to do is at least mix my hat up or change my shirt. But I can't do a lot of videos every day because I have a car show production business with Jane, Jill, and Blaine. And tomorrow I got a massive show, and I'm not going to be able to be in the studio almost all day tomorrow. But you know what I'll do? I'll make a whole bunch of videos and kind of meter them out a little bit. And the more that I talk and show maybe my car show production and maybe a little bit about my life, where I've been, what my hobbies are, you can hear my voice, see what the heck I look like, Yep, I did. I shaved a little bit of this Santa beard, but in a week, the whole thing will look like Colonel Sanders. I'll look like Kenny Rogers. Yep, my beard. I'm not going to dye it. It's white. It's as white as my hat and hopefully as white as my teeth. But people join people. And that's what I've heard the most over the last 2 years. I've signed up thousands of people in multiple businesses, not just Live Good and Save Club. If you go to CoryDraper.com, you can see all the other opportunities that I have, and they're all online, and they're all based upon the same thing, inviting you to click a link and watching a video. And it's yay or nay. The video does all the recruiting, training, all the information about the compensation plan and whatnot. That's why when Save Club came around, it was identical, well, let's say 90% similar to Live Good. And I'm like, oh, hell yeah, I can do it because I'm number 29 out of 2 million people in Live Good. And it didn't happen by accident. And right now I'm number 7 in the world already in this club. I almost have 100 people. Probably by tomorrow I should have probably 100 people signed up. And I'm totally stoked. That's awesome. High five if you've already signed up. But what I wanted to just tell you is if you can somehow in your gut try to do video, and you don't have to do it live where if you mess up you're embarrassed. You can sit in your car behind your steering wheel, get your cell phone and just go, hi, this is Cory. I don't know what I'm doing, but will you please go to officialsaveclub.com and save money and earn money, and I got to go by. Upload it. Upload it to a YouTube channel. Upload it to Facebook. If you want to do like 15 to 20-second videos, hey, this is Cory. Check out Save Club. Go to officialsaveclub.com. Thanks for your time, guys. Let me know what you think. That took, what, 10 seconds? I know it might look easy if I'm just farting around here, but guys, look into it. It works. Video is so awesome. And what I do is I just invite people to officialsaveclub.com, and that's it. There's nothing left for me to do except hold my pee and pee my pants. Other than that, I don't know. Get up, have a sandwich, maybe have a little cookie, make some coffee. I do enjoy doing videos like this. And I hope that you feel like you know me, you hear my voice. And if people join people is true, and that's what I've heard the most out of, because I'm not shy. If someone joins me, if you join me, I always like to know, hey, how'd you find the video? How did you hear about Save Club? And why did you join me? Because there's other people that you could have joined. And it's like, hey, you do video. You're there every day. It looks like you have your real email address, which I do, Cory@CoryDraper.com. I'm on Facebook. I have my personal page and business mix. I want you to see everything I do personally because it shows my habits, where I'm at, where I'm going, what the hell I'm doing. It just gives me more credibility that no, I'm not just desperate going join. All right. If you join, great. If not, have a good one because life goes on for both of us. But if you join right now, all I can tell you is that I belong to a pretty badass team. There's a lot of training, a lot of free video, a lot of free pictures, support. There's 3 live Zooms, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, just from the company. There's a training tab. Go back there and see if you can do it alone. And if not, I have a badass funnel. It's $25. Try it. If you don't like the funnel, then don't buy it again. $25 for the month. You set it up in about 10 minutes. You get your own link. And what it is, it's a video and a funnel system before people sign up. It's a little extra where you might need to sit on the couch a little bit, make some coffee or get your favorite drink and go, no, let's talk about Save Club a little slower in more detail. How do I go to a restaurant and show my screen? I go to saveclub.com. Oh, okay, I can save 20, 30% off on this bill. Okay, great. Draw it up on your screen and show the person you're paying. Boom. Get that savings. Go get some Whoppers at Burger King. In my case, I went to Discount Tire. You can even print out the coupon if you want, old school. I'm in my studio now and I have a printer off camera, but if I want to go to saveclub.com and print out something, sometimes people like that. Usually when I have a coupon, I'll put it in my glove box or I'll put it on my desk somewhere. And then by the time I go to use it, it's expired. I hate when I do that. But with this opportunity, if the deal is on Save Club, that means it's still active. So how cool is that? Search around, save money, at only $19.97, man, you can't beat that cost. And if you're saving 100, 200 bucks a month or thousands for the year, which I think you can, boy, you're not going to get rid of Save Club. And if you have 60 bucks, my gosh, why not be an affiliate? And if you join for the year, you can be a VIP where you get bigger commissions. That's cool. It's up to you though. Join by the month, join by the year. Doesn't matter. Do what you feel is best for you budget-wise. But slice out an hour or two a night or a day or a weekend. Just do the best you can to invite people to click a link, either directly with the package that you get for the 60 bucks, or go ahead and try out the funnel. Both are awesome. I actually promote both links. And if you want to see what I do, I'll just show you. There it is, officialsaveclub.com. Right there alone kicks ass. And if you go to Save Club Funnels, same thing. All you do is put in information, click, watch a video. The official Save Club video is 6 minutes. The funnel is 20. I want you to watch both. And if you join me, I want you to do both. Because some people want a choice like chocolate. Do you want vanilla? Do you want a soft shell taco? Or do you want a crunchy one? People like choices, and boy, my philosophy has seemed to work. For me to sign up 100 people already is awesome. And I want you to sign up 100 and your downline and everyone else. Let's help everybody. There's no competition. Guys, I'm only on day 3. We kicked off June 1st. Today's June 3rd. So 1, 2, 3. It's only half the day. So we're 2.5 days in. Boom. To presenting this worldwide. And over the next year, we're going to have millions of deals in every little city, nook and cranny on planet Earth. But right now, we specialize in America. And yes, we are going to be in Europe and Canada. And of course, Mexico and the UK, Australia. Our buddies way over in good old Asian areas. Boy, there's billions over there. And don't worry, you're going to be saving. And you're going to be earning. I think you have a damn good chance to finally have some success because you're so early. You're way early. If you're watching me right now and it's around June 3rd, oh man, please don't take much longer than a day to become an affiliate. Just have some faith, get out the 1997, get 3 more 20s out. 60 bucks plus what? 1997, 79.97, 80 bucks, you get 3 pennies back. Do it. I know you can do this. I get excited every time I do a video. If you guys could see the results and just feel saving money is awesome, but to earn money is mind-blowing. And then to bring in $800-900 cash just from the funnel system, man, that's a good feeling. And I want you to be on this side of the camera. But there's a good chance that if you do break out of your shell and your comfort zone and start doing bad videos, but tell people you're nervous. If you have a bugger hanging out, who cares? Pick it and hang it on your ear. If you drop the camera, who cares? If you forget what you're saying, just laugh in the camera and go, okay, I'm going to upload this. I'm going to do better next video. People will cheer you on. They'll go, God, you know what? This guy's awesome. This lady's cool. She's nervous. She's scared. I can tell her in her voice. But people love when they see new people do new video because you're waiting for something to happen. And people will cheer you on. And I'll tell you what, when you start doing 5, 10, 20, 50 videos, this is like therapy to me. I can't wait to do a video. I love live Zooms. I'll do Zooms all day, especially if it's a worldwide Zoom. I have so many questions about other countries. What do you do? When were you born? What kind of cars do you guys have? I have a million questions for people that live outside the United States. It's a lot of fun meeting real people. But if you're a recluse, introvert, extrovert, if you're like me, a pervert, you can do this. If you're a grandma with no experience, if you're a grouchy grandpa with your balls hanging out, don't worry about it. You can do it, little buddy. All you got to do is join. Click both those links, okay? I'm at my 15-minute mark here in about 30 seconds, so I'll wrap up. I want to thank you for your time, and that's important. But people join people, and if you can do video, I think you're going to have a better chance of success. Please just think about it. And if you want to just practice, you don't have to show anybody. Sit in back of your car, go in the patio, go in the park, sit in your bedroom, and just talk to your phone or talk to your webcam. And just practice 10 seconds, 30-second videos. Try to do a minute video. And if it sucks, you don't have to show it. But you can do it. Everybody hates their voice. They can't stand how they look. They look fat. My eyes are tired. My voice sucks. Blah. I'm not doing video. Well, you know what? We have a ton of video and a ton of pictures if you join my group. We'll get you going, and we'll figure it out if you want to do video. But anyway, guys, thanks a lot for my 15 minutes of your time. And go ahead and click those videos real quick. Or I'm sorry, click those links real quick to the videos. And if you have any questions, go to Cory@CoryDraper.com. You can see my email right there on my business cards. Jose, Frito-Lay. You have a good chance of kicking ass, and I mean it. And peace and love, and thanks for watching my videos. We'll talk to you later. See ya. Bye.